Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be looking on how the cage look. You remember that cage that I put up that my husband built? We're going to show you how it looks now that we have inserted some birds in it. So I've gone ahead and I showed you step 1 where he was building it. Step 2 is where he put in the swing and the stick for them to stand on, and step 3 is here where the birds are placed in it. So in this cub, guys, you see how big the cub was? We have over 50 lovebirds in it, and they are for sale as I stated before. So you can just watch a video that says lovebirds with price, and you will see the cost of them. So yeah guys, the cage is now filled with lovebirds. We have Dutch blue, we have Fisher, we have purple, we have orange face, we have creminos, we have peach face, pied. You know, we have all sorts of different lovebirds in the cage, as you can see. Aren't they looking beautiful? Look at the back, you will see those gray pieds. At the front here we're seeing 2 orange face, you see a peach face, a cremino. There are a lot of birds in there, guys. So yeah, it was necessary for us to build a cage. I'm going to show you where they used to be before we have moved them into that, so you can see how small the cage was. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Goodbye, adios.